Okay, this is going to be a first of many Avid videos introducing you how to use Avid Media Composer. Alright, I'm using this on a PC, but it should be a similar experience on Mac OS. So for this, all I'm concerned with is just getting the project set up. We're not importing, we're not doing titles, we're not doing anything like that. We're just getting the project set up. So we'll just wait for Avid to load. And one of the first things that you're going to notice, alright, is usually by default Avid wants to go to the documents. Alright, we don't want to use the documents on the OS drive. We want to use an external drive. So in this particular case, I'm just going to my external drive. And the other thing is, let's just go ahead and create a project. So I am going to call this new project. And I'll also put field production. Alright. The video that I recorded is in 1920 by 1080. Alright. But the frame rate is also 23.976. Alright. If I was recording in video like some of the other projects in this class, then I would be doing 1080 by 29.97. But being that I already have the footage, that's pretty much where I'm going to leave it at. I'm going to leave it the frame rate at 23.976. Alright. I am going to switch this over to RGB 709. We don't necessarily need RGB 2020 because we're not working in 4K. So again, I'm just going to switch it to RGB 709. And I'm going to check my settings once again, make sure it's going to my external hard drive. Make sure that I have the right title, make sure that I have the right format, make sure I have the right color space. Don't worry about this right here. We're not using Media Central. We're not using this on a server. Alright. So being that this is being saved to your local hard drive, it's being saved to your external drive, we can leave Media Central login alone. So we're going to create. And I just have to move some of this over. So, alright, that's pretty much it in terms of creating the project and getting in. Alright, and I am going to stop this video and I'm going to start the next video about bin creation.